Terence Romeo. Kala ko si Daniel Padilla eh. Parang batang-bata pa sa Terence Romeo dito. Of course, isa ito sa inaabangan natin. Terence Romeo, you're expected to na mag siya contribute sa scoring and the intensity syempre. Terence in and out. So, ito po ay nangyayari dito sa Fieldsport Arena. This is the open public training po of Gilas Pilipinas. At kasama po yung teka lang, tingnan muna natin sa terrace to. I like it. Ball rotation yung pinagpapractice nila. Yun. Nanonood na si Terence. Please pa-share and comment at siguro pa-press 1 na rin kung gusto nyo bang lagi na tayo mag-cover ng basketball din. Yung women's team dito, hati sila ng court. So yung nakikita nyo, the way hopefully we play sa Asian Games, pasahan ng pasahan, ikot-ikot ng bola, there you go. Nice work, Terence. Saan na si coach?
Powercast Sports. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.